A slight 2% growth is estimated for Arbitrum, 30 rates reports for July 8. But first, let's review the current chart before moving on. As we begin, Arbitrum has risen 0.2% since yesterday and is priced near $0.07865. Let's run through today's expert calls. CoinLore believes the price could edge down to $0.0779 by tomorrow, nearly 0.9% lower than now. CoinCodex projects a move down to $0.07805 for Arbitrum, which implies a loss of 0.7%. CoinPrice Forecast notes it may edge up to $0.0791, marking an increase of 0.6%. A separate forecast by 30 rates shows Arbitrum might test $0.0802, a potential increase near 2%. To conclude, Traders Union projects $0.0807 by tomorrow. That's 2.7% above where the price is now. This stands as the most lucrative forecast. 5 forecasts covered. Let's keep moving. The forecasts are laid out. Now let's examine the key figures. Based on every forecast reviewed in this report, the price is projected to move between a drop of 0.9% and a gain of 2.7%, depending on the analyst. As a result, Traders Union is expected to post the highest return with 2.7% growth in value by July 8. Put simply, you could come away with between $6 and $27 for every $1,000 you invest. In the probability rankings, CoinPrice forecast stands in first place with a 92.9% chance of success. Combining all 5 forecasts, I prepared a single consensus outlook. Consensus calculations put Arbitrum around $0.07919. Alright, let's unpack this. Consensus outlook places the price up around 0.8%. In line with that move, your capital would also reflect a gain of 0.8%. A 1,000 investment might show a return of about $8 under this forecast. The consensus scenario holds a likelihood of about 92.2% of taking shape. At this point in the analysis, let's review the 3-day forecasts. CoinLore expects Arbitrum to fall. Also, CoinCodex points to further downside potential. CoinPrice Forecast emphasizes that the short-term picture is tilted higher. Likewise, 30 rates expects strength on the upside. Also, Traders Union believes the price is set to climb further. The consensus highlights a bearish outlook, pointing to Arbitrum trending lower over the next 3 days. In summary, most forecasts align on a bullish view, suggesting Arbitrum could continue trending higher in the near term. 2 days ago, 5 forecasts were published. Today, we look at them against the outcome. Ultimately, yesterday's trading ended at $0.08021. Yesterday showed that only a few forecasts captured the correct direction. 30 rates achieved the most precise outlook. Now it's time to break it into parts. Yesterday's range included 4 forecasts inside. Speaking of ROI, multiple analysts posted gains and Traders Union stood out with 3.3%. And now, take a look at the table, all verified results together. In comparison, CoinDataFlow was assigned a forecast probability of 67.7%, 0.20's $5,087 in accuracy, and minus 2.2% ROI. Look over the results and find the forecast that hit closest to reality. Let's see how tomorrow's predicted profitability looks when compared with a few other assets. Arbitrum takes the 3rd position, with Polkadot currently showing the highest forecasted gain of 1.1%. For now, you can see Arbitrum next to just 4 cryptocurrencies, but a much larger set is already featured on my website. And that's it for today. Subscribe to follow the real numbers, not just opinions. Take care.